Yeah.
How's it going? Nice to see you again.
Yes, sir.
Give back to the community, and it's just more than just cars. It's, just start
Between Toys for Tots.
That's right. That's what it
And-
was. And this year,
And Tinker.
it's awesome.
Okay. Today we're in the mayor's office, and I got Sean and Betty here with Misfire Motors. These guys, this is their third year in a row to go out and accumulate toys to give to needy families. You guys have been doing this 3 years. It's a great project. What got you started on this?
Well, we've always just been wanting to give back to the community. It's just always been more than just cars for us. And Grant, Ryan, and I, we've always been, like I said, it's just been a part of us to give back to our communities that could need it. So we've been doing this 3 years in a row, and it's been awesome. And it's always a good feeling to give back to the less fortunate that could possibly inspire younger generations that may, that can't get these toys. So it's a really good feeling, and we love doing it. So.
You're going to make a lot of kids happy on Christmas morning, I'll tell you that.
Well, that's our goal. That's all. That's a great feeling.
Thank you for what
Of
you do.
course. Thanks for having us.
All right.
Headed out. City of Dole City wants to get together with us on a car show, so we have that to look forward to soon.